and the main campus will be getting done through CPWD. It will start by September 15th, and within 2 years they'll complete the work. It will be about 6,70,000 square feet with a cost about 300 crores first phase, and with all amenities. We can house about 1,500 students hostel, about 150 faculty members, about 90 classrooms with all modern facilities. And we will be having inbuilt solar power plant, and the students will be exposed to all the new type of technologies. And we'll have an alliance with IIT Bombay, IISc Bangalore and NIT Surathkal to give quality education. Very happy that this year all the Goa seat students are filled by meritorious Goan students. Not even a single seat is left, and all the NIT seats are filled, including BTech and MTech. We solicit the people of Konkani to support this in a bigger way, so that the name of Konkani will be in the All India map. And over the canal which comes in our land, we are going to put a concrete canal, so that that canal will not be disturbed. We are going to spend about 50 lakhs on the canal which comes in our site, so that the natural water canal will not be disturbed. Second thing is about the water tank. We have made a provision for that to use it, and we are not going to touch it. In fact, there is a dismantled tank. We are going to repair it and fill the water in that also. So we are not going to disturb any water canal. We are not going to give any drop of drainage to the public, and will not create any pollution to the public. On the other hand, we are going to plant about 1,000 mango trees, so that will have more oxygen-rich atmosphere in the company. I'll assure you that the people of Konkani will have a very peaceful. In fact, it will be a beautiful place for them to come for an evening walk and see this campus.